Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to a PHA video update. Now I don't know what kind of a coin this really is, but sometimes I've seen it even before. It tries to pump and it pumps like crazy. I've been trying to look at the charts if I can get an entry, but it's so volatile. I don't know how to enter exactly. But the thing is that I'm on the 15 minutes time frame, and it seems like we are putting in some Elliott wave theory. So let's look at it that way. So it's probably this one being the first wave here, the second wave, the third wave right there, the fourth one, and we could be looking at a fifth wave to the upside, maybe to 0.62. So yeah, we could actually see this one still moving higher and higher, and actually that tells me that the 4-hour time frame looks pretty decent because of the three white soldiers as well. So these three green candles that are going back to back right over there, they look like they have something in them. Okay, so if someone wants to look at it that way, you never know that you're putting in a flag as well, and you make a bull flag out of a 4-hour time frame, and you could be talking about moving from this technical target to the next one, and that's going to be 0.8280. But the best thing to trade with is actually going to be fib retracement. So let's dive into the 1-hour time frame right there. Okay, and take the the top to the bottom. Sorry, I'm just going to take the fib right now. So let's use the fib to see where we can move next. Okay, so right now what I want to see for this coin is actually that it crosses the 0.618. So listen carefully. If it crossed the 0.618, we could be moving up to 0.75 as the next impulsive move, and the next fifth wave of the Elliott wave theory as well to the upside. So be very careful. If you're not crossing this 0.618 at the moment, there could be chances of dropping, because why not? You've been really overextended at the moment. So no guarantees. I don't like coins that actually pump all of a sudden and buy at the very top. Like, I mean, it's okay to buy down there, but when it has already pumped like this, chasing green candles isn't going to do anything good to you unless you don't have some particular checking going on. And if this checks actually play out, then that would be amazing. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this PHA update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.